Legal and social control. Objectives of study. Overview. Definition of legal. Nature and characteristics of legal and law. Sources of law. Types of law. Functions of law. Then conclusion. First, overview. Law is commonly understood as a system of rules that are created and enforced through social or governmental institutions to regulate conduct. It has been variously described as a science and the art of justice. State enforced laws can be made by a collective legislator or by a single legislator, resulting in statutes by the executive through verdicts and regulations, or established by judges through precedent. Normally in common law jurisdictions, private individuals can create legally binding contracts, including arbitration agreements that may elect to accept alternative arbitration to the normal court process. Can you define law? First, a separate and distinct part of written instrument, such as a contract, statute, constitution, that is often divided into sections. A written instrument containing a series of rules and stipulations that are each designated as an article. Second, law is the command of the sovereign. It is the command of the superior to an inferior and force in the sanction behind law. 3. A law is a general rule of external behavior enforced by a sovereign political authority. What do you think about legal? Permitted by law. Every function controlled by legislations. Example, constitutions control the government functions. Nature and features of law. First, nature. Law is a general rule of human behavior. In this state, it applies to all people of the state. All are equally subject to the laws of their state. Aliens living in the territory of the state are also bound by the laws of the state. Second, law is a definite and it is the formulated will of the state. It is a rule made and implemented by the state. third nature, state always acts through law. Laws are made and enforced by the government of the state. 4. Law creates bindings and authoritative values, decisions or rules for all the people of state. 5. Sovereignty of state is the basis of law and its binding character. 6. Law is backed by the coercive power of the state. Violation of laws are always punished. 7. Punishments are also prescribed by law. 8. The courts settle all disputes among the people on the basis of law. 9. In each state there is only one body of law. 10. Legally, law is a command of the sovereign. In contemporary times, laws are made by the representatives of the people, who constitute the legislature of the state. Laws are backed by on public opinion and public needs. 11. The purpose of law is to provide peace, protection and security to the people and to ensure conditions for their all-round development. Law also provides protection to the rights and freedoms of the people. 12. All disputes among the people are settled by the courts on the basis of an interpretation and application of the laws of the state. 13. Rule of law, equally before law, and equal protection of law for all without any discrimination are recognized as the salient features of modern legal system and liberal democratic state. Sources of law. First source, custom. Second, religion and morality. 3. Legislations. 4. Delegated legislation. 5. Judicial decision. 6. Equality. Detail about custom. Custom has been one of the oldest sources of law. In ancient times, social relations gave rise to several usages, traditions, and customs. These were used to settle and decide disputes among the people. Customs were practiced habitually, and violations of customs were disapproved and punished. Second, religion and morality. Religion and religious codes appeared naturally in every society. When human beings began observing, enjoying and fearing natural forces, these were accepted as superior heavenly forces. Religion then started regulating the behavior of people and began invoking godly sanction. Three, legislation. Since the emergence of legislators in 19th century, legislation has emerged as the chief source of law. Traditionally, the state depended upon customs and the decrees orders of the king from regulating the behavior of the people. Later on, the legislature emerged as an organ of the government. 4. Delegated legislation. Because of several processing reasons like paucity of time, lack of expertise, and increased demand for lawmaking, the legislator of a state finds it essential to delegate some of its lawmaking powers to the executive. The executive then makes law rules under this system. It's known as delegated legislation. Currently, delegated legislation has come to be a big source of law. However, delegated legislation always works under the superior law making power of the legislator. 5. Judicial decisions. In contemporary times, judicial decision has come to be an important source of law. It is the responsibility of the courts to interpret and apply laws to specific cases. The courts settle the disputes of the people in cases that come before them. The decision of the court, the judicial decision, are binding on the parts to the case. 6. Equality. Equality means fairness and sense of justice. It is also a source of law for deciding cases. The judges interpret and apply laws to the specific cases. But laws cannot fully fit in each case, and these can be silent in some respects. In all such cases, the judges depend on equity and act in accordance with their sense of fair and play and justice. Types of law. First, national law. Second, international law. 3. Constitutional law. 4. Statute law or ordinary law. 5. Administrative law. First, detail about national law. That is the body of rules which regulates the actions of the people in society, and it is backed by the coercive power of the state. Second, international law, that is the body of rules which guides and directs the behavior of the states in international relations. It is backed by their willingness and consent that the states obey rules of international law. It is a law among nations and is not backed by any coercive power. 3. Constitutional law. It is the supreme law of the country. It stands written in the constitution of the state. The constitutional law lays down the organization, powers, functions and interrelationship of the 3 organs of the government. 4. Statute law or ordinary law. It is also called the national law or the municipal law. It is made by the government and it determines and regulates the conduct and behavior of the people. 5. Administrative law. It lays down the rules governing the exercise of the constitutional authority which stands delegated by the constitution of the state to all the organs of the government. It also governs the relations between the civil servants and the public and lays down the relations between the civil servants and the state. Functions of law. 1. To follow the human rights and protect the human rights. 2. Protect the society and promote welfare. 3. Contribute to welfare. 4. Control the conduct of people. 5. Opportunity to progresses. 6. Control the whole systems in this society. In conclusion, thus legal and law has been controlled this society. It is an informal means of social control. Thank you. Have a nice day.